Hi, it's me, BLEAU. Okay, so this is the day. The day I bet you've all been waiting for. I'm announcing my Valentine's giveaway today. Yay! But before we get into that, I'm going to show you how to make Valentine slime. Get it? You know, because Valentine's slime. Anyway. I'm going to show you how to make Valentine slime that you could give to a very special someone. This recipe is different from my last recipe because it doesn't include borax, which I know you guys were asking about slime without borax. Let's get started. First you'll need some water, a bowl and a spoon, body wash, a little container to put your slime in. I chose this one that says smile because if you rearrange the letters, it spells slime. Glitter sequins, cornstarch, and food coloring if you want. Okay, so this is one of those videos where there's not an exact measurement. It's kind of like science. So the first step is to pour some body wash in and mix with a couple drops of food coloring. After that, add a little bit of cornstarch. It should be a little bit chunky. That's what we're going to add the water in just a little bit, so don't worry. When you finally decided that this is what texture you want, add a few drops of water and some glitter. After that, put it in your container and give it to someone you like. Okay, now for the giveaway part. I know you guys are all excited about this. The theme for this giveaway is called My Love Shines. But before I explain to you what's going to happen, we have to go through the rules. I know, no one likes rules, but we have to have them. Sorry. Okay, first off, there are two giveaways. One is for YouTube, which you have to be subscribed to enter. And the other one is for social networking. If you want to enter that one, you have to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Or all three if you want to get 3 chances. For the social network giveaway, the instructions are going to be posted on that social network, so all you need to do is follow me. And we're going to talk about the YouTube one. Okay, so for this giveaway, you could live anywhere. As I mentioned before, this giveaway is called My Love Shines. So, to enter, leave a comment below about what your love shines for, what you like the most. For an example, my love shines for all of you guys, my family, my friends, and Angelique, my dog. I'll be announcing the winner next week, so the 7th, which is very soon, so leave your comments fast. If you're the winner, make sure you claim your prize in 2 weeks, or else I'm going to have to choose another winner. Don't worry, I'm choosing the winner random. Want to know what you're going to win? Okay, so first off, this cute little Beanie Boo. He's so cute. What's your name? His name is Miss Prickly. Hey, there's a poem. It says, I like to smell flowers with my little nose, but the scent I love most is from a big rose. And what would match a cute little hedgehog Beanie Boo the most? Maybe a hedgehog stamp? Okay. Next is a pen that looks like lipstick. I didn't really put that on my lips, don't worry. Box of chocolates. Delicious. He's cute too. After that is a pad of stickers. Isn't he so cute? Cute. Also, a notebook with some pencils to write with. And stickers, more stickers. You'll also win beauty products. Okay, so this is lip balm, which will either taste or smell like Hershey Kisses. I wonder if, oh, it says not to be eaten. Never mind. This is a sweetheart nail polish. Strawberry scented. Let's make sure. Okay. Next is some beautiful bracelets. Yeah. Aren't they shiny? There's also a mirror to look at your nail work. And it's sparkling. Who doesn't like sparkles? And after that, it's just a little container that's shaped like a heart that says cutie. Okay, so that's all for the YouTube giveaway. For the social network giveaway, you will win another little Beanie Boo. Isn't he cute? Look, he's smiling. A notebook to share your secret thoughts in, and maybe put your very special someone. More lip balm, smells like Hershey's. The best of all, chocolates. And another little red container that says you rock. Maybe you'll put slime in it. And that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, I will be announcing the winner very soon. So subscribe. Bye. One. Sorry. Okay, excuse me for a second. Okay.